That brings us to reason number 3. Two-strokes need to come back. Guys, preserving the history and the heritage. Four-strokes are awesome. That's where all the horsepower is. We know that's where everything is right now, but this is where it all started, and it's not a bad idea to look back and reminisce and pay homage to the way motocross began. Well, Spencer, it is all about a bygone era. What is it about two-strokes that draws you in and keeps you just loving this?
The smell. The smell. You can't beat it.
Tell me about this build that you guys did.
Yeah.
It looks awesome, man.
It's just a 95. It's not really a replica, but it's just like made to look old. We're doing 5 of these. We're building 5 CR250s that are all around the same year. So this is the first one we got done. We started with Dirt Bike Magazine, and it just came out great, man.
Any new little updates or anything to this?
Nothing too crazy. We welded the frames, got them really good. This pipe we cut a long FMF, cut it, and then added a shorty attachment. And then we stripped. Well, they only make the chrome pipes right here. So they chrome, but we strip it all, and then we had our buddy Robbie do all these weld lines, and then weld this badge on. So, and then put a new clutch in it and all that stuff, and it rips.
Beautiful motorcycle.
Thanks.
Welcome to the Two-Stroke Nationals.
Two-stroke, young lady, I think you're the best dressed at the Two-Stroke Nationals. Where did this outfit come from? You might get a little dirty today, but you're gonna smell some good smells, so enjoy. Good to see you guys. She is the best dressed here. She's got brave young lady. I don't recommend open-toed shoes at Glen Helen, but she's paying the price for a strong fashion statement. Looking good. Oh, how great does that sound? I love it. Oh, I can smell it. I hope you get some of that. Get some of that.
Welcome to the Two-Stroke Nationals.
The ladies love the two-strokes as well. That's what it's all about. Shout out. OEMs understand the importance of heritage, and a big nod goes to Yamaha because the only one of the big four is still making the YZ250. And look at this throwback retro graphics this year. That is so cool. Yeah, they got a few tires here at Glen Helen Raceway, all the equipment it takes to run 300 plus events a year. Something I love about Glen Helen too, you know, I talk about this all the time, we got to save motorsports. Yes, unfortunately, we're losing some tracks in all forms of racing, land value skyrocketing, and you worry about what's going on, but here at Glen Helen, guys, they run over 300 events a year. They have a short course track, lots of moto action. It is great. Well, excuse me, gentlemen, I have another question for you too. After spending time on four-strokes, what's it like coming back to a two-stroke?
I've been riding two-strokes a lot, so he's the four-stroke man.
I mean, what's it like coming back?
You over jump every jump the first lap because there's no engine braking. And then once you get used to that, it's more fun. You go faster into the corners because you don't have as much power out of them. And you know, when you're racing with two strokes, it just sounds better. There's so many just singing two strokes around you. It sounds so good.
Well, you guys enjoy. Have a good ride today.
Thank you.
Carter Duback on the 2009 YZ250 ready to go.